Good morning, everyone. I would take this opportunity to thank everyone here, mainly Rajendra Kumar sir and all the supporting staff here. So I still remember the day when I first met Rajendra Kumar sir here in Excel Academy. He became my guiding light and my mentor and my friend mainly. I always name him. If tomorrow if I become successful, he'll be the only one. That's how he's doing. And coming to the opportunity he gave, the library which I used here, it literally helped me to go forward with my preparation. And he's the one, even being a retired IPS and CEO of Trust, he takes time out to talk to the students and to motivate them, to encourage them, and to bring the talent out and to show them their potential. So that's the role he plays, and I have never seen any mentor like him anywhere across the India. I went to Delhi, I went to Hyderabad, I couldn't find anyone like him. Even today he calls every time, every month, and he asks me, what are you studying? How is your preparation? How are you mentally? How are you emotionally doing and all? That's the role he plays in my life, and thank you very much sir for making me a person, to bringing my own potential out and to showing my true inner self. Thank you sir.